Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download voice clip from Messenger. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, you're going to have to use Google Chrome on your computer. You see, when you open up a conversation and try to download an audio message, even if you press onto the three dots next to it, you can see that there is no download option. So let's try another approach. I'm going to open up this conversation, and let's say this is the audio that I want to download. I'm going to right click onto the audio clip, then select Inspect, which is the last option on the menu. As you can see, it's going to open up this window on the right hand side of the screen. If you come to the top, you can see a section named Network. So give this a click and it's going to open up this window. Now, the next step that you want to do is play the audio message again. You can notice that once you play the audio message, it's going to appear on the right hand side. As you can see, it says audio clip, so you want to give this a click, and this is our audio clip. Now, to download it, all you have to do is double click onto it, and as you can see, it's going to start downloading on your PC. If you're using Google Chrome, you can see the downloads on the top right hand corner, and if we click here, it's going to play the voice message, which means that you successfully downloaded the audio clip from Messenger. So that's it. That is how to download voice clip from Messenger. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.